Hello guys, welcome to startupstartkaro.com. Let's discuss about a private limited company. A private limited company is kind of an entity which is having a separate legal identity and is registered with Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Government of India under its ease of doing business initiative has materially eased out compliances in relation to a private limited company. For registering a private limited company, we require minimum 2 shareholders and 2 directors. The basic difference between a shareholder and a director is that while a shareholder is considered as an owner of the company, on the other hand, a director is just an employee. Directors are appointed by shareholders only. One of the main reasons why a private limited company is considered as a most suitable business entity among entrepreneurs these days is that it is quite convenient to raise a private equity in a private limited company. A private limited company is also having separate legal identity from that of its shareholders, and in the event of any future business loss due to unavoidable market conditions, the loss to the shareholders will be limited to their respective stakes only. Now let us talk about some advantages of a private limited company. A private limited company gives brand value to your business. Private limited company are considered more credible by bankers while sanctioning various fund-based and non-fund-based credit facilities. A private limited company can also own assets in its own name. Requirement of minimum capital contribution in a private limited company has been abolished by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and now a private limited company can be incorporated with a bare minimum capital of say rupees 1000 also. The corporate taxation rate of a private limited company is also significantly lower in comparison to other business entities, and a private limited is also offered other concessions as well. Now let us talk about the procedure for registration of a private limited company. Step 1 involves application for digital signatures by the proposed directors of a private limited company. It is mandatory for all the proposed directors and subscribers to have a digital signature in order to file the various e-forms as prescribed by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Thereafter, an application for name approval has to be filed with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The proposed name of the company should be of unique name and not a general one. Further, it is also not essential that the name of a company must reflect its business objects. The proposed name should also have some valid significance. Thereafter, final company incorporation forms consisting of various information like KYC details of the company, its directors, its shareholders, capital contribution, the place at which the registered office is proposed to be situated, etc. is required to be filed with Registrar of Companies. A registrar of company is a nodal authority under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, mandated with the requirement of maintaining the database of all the private limited companies and other business entities like limited liability partnership which fall under the mandate of Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Once the registrar of company will be satisfied that all the mandatory requirements as prescribed under the applicable law, that is the Companies Act 2013, has been satisfied, he will issue a certificate of incorporation, and congratulations, your company will be incorporated.